Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to fix Schlage Connect Z-Wave not working, reset, battery and troubleshooting guide. To fix the Schlage Connect Z-Wave lock that isn't working or communicating with your hub, start by power cycling your hub and moving it within 1 to 3 feet of the lock. If it is still drops command, clear its Z-Wave memory by forcing an exclusion. Then factory reset and repair the device. Follow these step-by-step methods to troubleshoot your lock. Fix 1. Perform a Z-Wave exclusion. Unpair. First, open your smart home app. Example, SmartThings, Hubitat, Home Assistant. Then go to your Z-Wave utilities and select Z-Wave exclusion, sometimes called as General Exclude or Remove Device. Then enter your lock's 6-digit programming code found on the programming guide or back of the lock. After that, press 0 on the lock's keypad. Now the lock will blink, confirming it has been wiped from the Z-Wave network. Fix 2. Replace the batteries. A low battery can disable Z-Wave radios while still allowing the physical keypad to work. So always use brand new premium alkaline AA batteries. Avoid any rechargeable batteries as they provide inconsistent voltage for the lock's Z-Wave module. Fix 3. Complete a factory default reset. Remove the battery cover and disconnect the batteries. Then press and hold the outside stage logo on the touch screen. And while holding the logo, reconnect the batteries. The green check mark will flash 3 times, indicating the reset is successful. Then wait for the bolt to fully extend and retract to complete the calibration. Fix 4. Repair the lock to your hub. Put your smart home app/hub into add device or include Z-Wave mode. Then enter your lock's 6-digit programming code. Then press 0 on the lock's keypad. The green check mark will flash to indicate it is searching and successfully added to your network. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.